The only puppets I have. I am not obsessed with Smurfs, thank you. I simply can't stop thinking about the miserable beasts every single minute of every single day. Because I need them. It's only by capturing the little wretches and extracting the happy blue essence that my magic will finally become... not infallible. Invincible, yes, thank you. I shall become the most powerful wizard in all of the world. Yeah, but you're milking it. Don't milk it. To magically transport us here. Come, my little fish-breathed friend. A la Cardoon. Great. Ye gods, Estiel. You're a boy? Really need that Smurf essence. A la Cardoon.